Welcome to AmbitiousTv. In today's topic, we are going to learn how to fix a broken water heater, and this is a Marado water heater type. Unlike other kettles which has a switch on it, this one doesn't. Okay, so first of all, we have to check with our meter whether the plug to the heater is working. So this is my multimeter to check the meter. Check the cable, sorry. So we on our meter and we put it at ohms, which calculates the current. So we are checking our cable. That's one side. And the other side. So as you can see, all was reading, so we don't have any problem with our cable to the heater. Now we come to the heater itself. Unlike other heater which uses switches, actually, as I said, this one doesn't. So we're gonna open the base of the kettle to check the fault. Okay, so this is inside the kettle of the Marado heater. We're gonna open this, the connector which is on the heater itself. We're gonna open it and check what is wrong with it. Okay, so guys, there is it. The Marado heater doesn't connect from down here to the switch. It connects from down here to the kettle, which is the heater itself. Okay, so right now we can see that this one is being bent, but we'll check it outright to verify. So back to our meter. This is from one end of the kettle to the other. So this is actually reading. So let's check the other side. You can see it's not. Okay. So the main fault with this Marado kettle heater is this, which is the connector on the kettle. Okay. So what we do is we actually look for a spare one, or you try fixing it. Now with the condition of this, there is no way you can actually fix it because it's got melted. Okay, you guys can see. So we have to fix the new one for it to make it work. So let's start. Just now it's cut. So we are done with our 30 liter. You have a very boiling water here for your tea, for your everything you want to use. Okay guys, watch out on Ambitech for the next tutorial.